Our today's topic is inventory. Here in this lesson, I'll show you how to make valuation for inventory. Many of you asked me to make a video on this topic. Already we have some videos, so if you want, you can check out my channel. Okay, so here to show how to evaluate inventory, I have taken a question from IGCSE accounting first paper, okay? And here in this format you see, we will answer this question here, okay? So let us see the question. Here we have the items, okay? So we have here pack of papers, pack of envelopes, notepads and pencils, okay? So here we have the quantity and cost per unit is here and carriage inward per unit, okay? And here we have selling expenses per unit and selling price per unit, okay? And here in this format where we'll answer, we have the items, we'll write the items name here and we'll write the cost price and NRV, net realizable value, okay? Net realizable value equal to selling price minus selling cost, okay, or selling expenses. Then we will evaluate, we'll calculation here in this column, okay? Great. Now, first of all, we will write the item's name. So here we have packs of paper. So let us write here. Okay. So here the number of unit is 240. Okay. So we will write the number of unit here 240. Okay. In this last column. Now here we have cost price $4.5. Okay, per unit. And there is no carriage inward and there is no selling expenses, and these goods, okay, pack of paper, this goods selling price is $8, okay? So here compare these two, cost price is 4.5 and selling price is 8, okay? So now we will write here the cost price, okay? Here we have a $4.5, okay? Here we have net realizable value. I told you if you have selling expenses, you have to minus from selling price per unit, okay? So there is no selling expenses for pack of paper, okay? So we will write here $8, okay? So once again here we wrote cost price 4.5. If we have carriage inward, we will add, okay? Add up with this cost price per unit, okay? So we don't have this expense here, okay? Now how to evaluate which amount, this or this, which one will be multiplied by this 240 units, okay? So there is a concept for accounting to evaluate this inventory, okay? What is that? Lower of cost and net realizable value. Okay, so here we have to check which price is lesser, okay? So here we see the cost price is $4.5 and net realizable value is $8, okay? So we will take the one which is lower, okay? So here for pack of papers, we see the cost price is lower, it is 4.5, okay? So we will multiply here $4.5. So now what we get? We get here $1,080, okay? So now second one we have here pack of envelopes, okay? So let us write here pack of envelopes. Okay, now here how many units? We see here 225 units, okay? So we will write the unit here first of all 225, okay? Now here we will check the cost price, okay? So here the cost price is $5.5 and there is a carriage inward, okay, per unit $1, okay? Here we see 1. So now we need to add this $1 with the cost price, okay? So let us write here 5.5 plus 1, yeah? So we get here cost price $6.50, okay? So this is the cost price for the pack of envelopes. Now we will see NRV, net realizable value, okay? So here we see $1.5 is selling expenses and selling price per unit is $10. I told you net realizable value equal to selling price minus selling cost, okay, or selling expenses. So selling price is here $10. We will write here 10 minus here we have selling expenses $1.5 per unit. So we get here $8.50, okay. This is the NRV for packs of envelopes, okay. Now which price will be written here, which one will be multiplied? So same, the concept, accounting concept, lower of cost and net realizable value. Okay, so here cost price is $6.5 and here NRV is $8.5. Which one is lower? So here we see cost price is lower. We will multiply here cost price, okay. So here we get $6.50, okay. So if we multiply, our inventory value is 1462.50, okay. Now next one, here we have notepads, okay. Notepads we will write first of all, okay. So how many units is here? It is 150 units, okay. We will write this amount here first of all, 150 units, okay. Good. Now we will check the cost price. So here cost price is $4. Yeah, we see cost price per unit $4 and there is carriage $2 per unit, okay. So now here we have to sum up. We have to add carriage inward $2 with the cost price, okay. Cost price is here $4 plus 2 equal to $6, right. So let us write here $4. This is the cost price plus $2 carriage. If we sum up, we get $6, okay. This is the cost price for notepads, okay. Now we'll check the NRV, net realizable value. So here we see the selling price is $5 and there is no selling expenses, right. So we will write here 5, okay. Now the concept, lower of cost and net realizable value. So which one is now lower, this cost price or net realizable value? Yes, obviously it is net realizable value $5, okay. So we will write here 5, we will multiply by 5, yeah. So let us write here 5 and we get $750, okay. Now the last one is here boxes of pencils, okay. Let us write here, okay. So here how many units? We see here 96 units, okay. So we will write here 96 first, okay. Now we will check the cost price. Here cost price is $3.5 per unit. There is no carriage inward, okay. So we will write here cost price, it is $3.5, okay. Now we will see NRV, net realizable value, okay. So here we see selling price $6. There is no selling expenses here, okay. So we will write here $6, okay. Now we will check which amount is lower, okay. The accounting concept, lower of cost and net realizable value. So here obviously cost price is lower, so we will write here, we will multiply by cost price. It is 3.50, okay. If you multiply, we get $336, okay. So now in the question, it is our requirement to calculate the total value of these inventories, of these 4 items, okay. So here we have to sum up, yeah. We wrote here total. So now 1080 plus 1462.50 plus 750 plus $336 equal to $3,628.50. Okay, so this is our answer here.